What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to cancel your Seller Plus subscription, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean so much if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So guys, how to cancel your Seller Plus subscription. So first of all, what it is. So basically Seller Plus, the program is invite only and will only be accessible to you once you have received your personal invitation to participate in Seller Plus. There is a limit to the number of sellers that can join the program, so if you did receive an invite and then are notified that the program is full, they will be sure to let you know as soon as an opening becomes available. The program includes all sorts of benefits and tools to enhance your business growth and opportunities. There are different plans included in the Seller Plus program, and basically the standard and premium, each plan has its own enhanced benefits. So if you want to cancel your Seller Plus subscription, what you need to do? Well, basically you can cancel your subscription at any time prior to the next billing date. From your Seller Plus Manage Membership page, the cancellation will be effective at the end of the current billing month. So if you want to cancel it on the January 3rd, let's say, you will be able to cancel, you can cancel it, but you will still have to pay that month. Let's say the billing date is, for example, let's say 28th of January. You will be a Seller Plus member until that date, and when the billing happens, you will no longer be a Seller Plus member. So hopefully this video was helpful to you guys, and as always, thank you so much for watching and see you in our future tutorials. Goodbye.